Alright, good morning, have a blessed day, the Black Retriever. Sa araw pong ito, we are here at Velocity Bicycle Shop at Tagapo, Santa Rosa, Laguna para i-bike check ang bagong labas ng Mountain Peak. First thing first, we check the frame of this mountain bike. Mountain Peak Explore 4000, the new model of Mountain Peak MTB. It's a carbon T700. It's all internal cabling. The RT and the FD of this bike is made from Jore. It's a 10-speed RD, and the chain is KNC 10-speed narrow. The crank is a Halotech 104 DCD 2x10 36 by 26 teeth. The size of the arms is 170. The cogs is 11 by 42 teeth. The hubs is made from Novatec. It's a seed bearing hubs. And of course, the rotor disc from front and rear is made by SRAM. This mountain bike is a hydraulic disc brake from Shimano as well, from rear to front. Let us check the cockpit of this mountain bike. The handlebar is made by Mountain Peak. The size of this handlebar is 800 mm. The shifter and the brake lever is made from Shimano Jore. It's all alloy, including the stem is alloy as well. It's designed and engineered by Mountain Peak. The size of this stem is 60 mm negative 70. It's a seal bearing as well. Okay, how about the fork? The fork is an air suspension. It's a fork lockout. It's made also by Mountain Peak Magnesium. The hubs is quick release as well, both sides, front and rear. The size of this frame is a medium size. The material of this, what I said earlier, is a carbon fiber. One of the best carbon they use by Mountain Peak. It's T700 carbon fiber. The seat post is as well alloy, and also the pedal. The saddle of this bike is very smooth and comfortable. This is the new Mountain Peak Explorer 4000. How about the tire? The tire of this mountain bike, they use a Continental Race King 27.5 by 2.0. The rim is 32 holes. Okay, once again, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. The Black Retriever po. May good news po tayo. Ang Velocity Bicycle Shop ay bilang pasasalamat sa pagtangkilik ninyo at pagsuporta ninyo sa shop na ito. Ito po ay magkakaroon ng shop sa San Fabian, Pangasinan. Saan po ito sa San Fabian? Ito po ay matatagpuan sa Tempra Gilid Highway. Yan po ang bagong Velocity Bicycle Shop. Meron po tayong parapol sa opening ng shop na ito sa November 20. Yan po sa Friday po ito, no? Magpaparapol po sila ng isang bike trainer at mga siguro mga other prices pa, mga accessories diyan, ano? Sa ano, paano po sumali sa raffle na ito? Magpunta lang po tayo sa Facebook. Okay? Punta po tayo sa page ng Velocity Bicycle Shop Pangasinan. Yan, San Fabian, Pangasinan. I-like po natin ito. Pagkatapos i-share po natin, and then screenshot po natin, i-comment po natin sa page mismo ng Pangasinan, San Fabian Velocity Bicycle Shop. At yun, makakasali na po kayo sa raffle. Yan po. At kung hindi naman po kayo makakasali sa raffle, wag po tayo mag-alala dahil si Velocity Bicycle Shop San Fabian ay maraming gimmick po. Ito po ay mamimigay ng mga accessories sa mga susunod na mga panahon, na araw, at magpaparapol po, no? Si Velocity Bicycle Shop. Yan po. Ito po ay mga affordable bike na mabibili ninyo mula sa bata hanggang sa matatanda. Ang mga accessories niya, mga pyesa niya po, murang-mura po at affordable, no? Mababait po ang mga tao diyan, madali pong makadil, makausap. So punta po kayo, dalawin ninyo kayong mga taga Pangasinan diyan po sa San Fabian. Salamat sa Diyos, The Black Retriever.